and see how the show's going.
We're talking to him.
Show's going real good.
Okay, that's good to hear.
Yes, real good today.
It's a great turnout.
Yes, but more than usual for Friday.
A fair few disappointments that it won't be running. We want to know, do you think that people would be gathering together next year to continue the culture?
No.
No.
No, I don't see that happening.
You don't see that happen. I mean, it's such a big event. You don't think anybody else would pick it up and continue at a different location?
No, because I think, I mean, they may do it, but I think the guys in the shade of the past owns that name.
Okay, so they won't be able to use that name.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Well, that's good to know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure of that.
Okay.
But yeah, I don't see it happening.
I don't see it happening. Well, it's a big show with a big turnout, running for so many years, and as I mentioned to Dan earlier, there's a lot of people who maybe would want to follow along and do something. So it may not be under shades, but keep an eye out. If some kind of a club forms on its own, then we'll know what to do with that.
Yeah, and the city's one's going to lose a lot of money.
The what, sorry?
The city will be the one that really gets hurt.
Oh yes, of course.
Millions.
Of course.
These people pump a lot of money over there on that parkway.
Right.
So,
yeah.
But, you know, there's a close to everything.
There's a close for everything. Nothing can go on forever.
Right.
Well, I appreciate that. I appreciate your times. And thank you so much. It's been great. And I'm happy that I came here. My first year. At least I made it for the last year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice to meet you.
Same here. Thank
very
you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi there, how's it going?
Good.
Beautiful. What do you have here?
Oh, it belongs to the guy. He's going around on his scooter. It don't belong to us.
It's a vet, a 57 92 Corvette and a 57. He built.
It's a half and a half.
Yeah, he built all the body panels.
Two put into one.
He built all the body.
So he's changed a 57 Chevy Bel Air and a Corvette into this.
Handmade, all fiberglass.
One more time, our new registration number for $200 in cash money. 1382 622 401 288 1601.
I haven't seen anything like this. Here we go, C4 Corvette and a 57 Chevy, not a kit car. Handmade body, all work and done by owner. Well, John, I would have loved to have seen you and interviewed you for my channel to see how you came about and what made you want to combine two great cars. So it's a Chevy 210. He's changed the back of it is a Chevy 210, and then the front mimics the Corvette. Interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. Combining Chevy 210 with a C4 Corvette. I like that color. How you going? Good, thank you. is it exactly?
57 Chevrolet pickup.
Nice. Did you restore it yourself?
I did.
Also, well, I'm Rana.
Hey, I'm Wes.
How you going? Can I put this down here?
Sure.
Oh, I have a YouTube channel and I film the car shows and I do car interviews. Can I get you to come and tell us about the process?
Yeah.
Okay.
Probably do.
All right, before we get into anything, what is the color of this?
Cyber gray.
Cyber grey.
Cyber gray.
Okay, I like the greys. I like the gunmetal grey.
Yeah.
This is cyber grey.
Right.
Beautiful. 57 Chevy pickup.
LS2.
LS2. All right. And how long have you had this for?
Since I was about 10 years old.
No.
Yeah. My great granddaddy, who I'm named after, give my daddy the money to buy this truck. My dad give it to me.
I really know how to pick them. You know, I'm walking around and I've seen everything is just beautiful, but something drew me here and I love the color. I was like, I have to ask what paint color that is. But you've had this truck since you were 10 years old.
It's about 10 years old. My dad actually had an SO station when I was a kid.
A what station?
It was an SO station.
What's that?
It was Exxon now.
Okay.
Back in the day, it was the SO station.
Okay.
So it was, I guess you could say it was a parts truck, but yeah, he used to put the football team in back of this thing, take us to play football. And I was like termite, pee-wee football. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It was pretty cool.
That's very cool.
Yeah.
Since 10 years old, when did you start restoring it?
Probably when I was about 10 years old. I actually drove in high school.
Okay.
Yeah, and I do collision work for a living.
Okay, so you've always been working on this.
So this is, my dad owned a body shop, so this is what started me in the collision industry.
Wow.
So I restored, you know, fixed it up, drove in high school. When I got married, I parked it, and you know, of course, my daughter came along. It's in my garage probably 25 years, and when I got her through college and got married, she got married in March of 16, and I started on it in April of 16 and
Nice.
restored it. And
Wow.
here it sits.
Wow, I absolutely love it.
Well, I
Now,
appreciate it.
what is the engine here you've got?
It's a LS2 out of a 06 GTO.
Out of a
06 GTO.
Oh, it's a GTO, 2006 GTO. Wow. Oh, I see. That is brilliant. How powerful would it be? How powerful is it?
That has a 34 Chevrolet
Faster than
barrels with a 65 GTO.
And you restored the interiors yourself as well?
Roger Janelle with a 55 Chevy.
Okay.
Chad Adams, 32.
So are the interiors restored back to the way it was when you were 10?
John Flowers.
Oh, you've customized them?
It's customized, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Seats are out of a 06 GTO, out of the same GTO that the motor came out of.
Okay.
And I modified the seat.
So the 2006 GTO sacrificed itself in order for this to come
It
alive?
was kind of like a donor car. I guess
Yeah,
you
it was a
could say.
donor car.
Chevrolet.
Maybe sacrifice is not the right word. It
There you
donated
go.
itself. Brilliant.
But
And
yeah.
what is the wheels here?
The wheels are shot wheels.
Shot
some
wheels.
company out of
Alex
California.
Short, 58 Ford pickup.
That's brilliant.
Charlie Lagoon.
Would you lower this a bit more?
68 Roadrunner.
Would you lower it a bit more?
Lower it a bit more? No, not
32
low enough.
It's low enough.
If I go any lower, then I'll start cutting on it.
61 Chevy Impala.
Oh yeah.
Mike Pascoff.
It's brilliant. And you've had this since you were 10 years old. I mean, that alone itself is
Really
just,
have.
you got to keep it. I notice you've got some boys, so I'm guessing it'll get passed on as well and just stay in the family.
Yeah, actually, my daughter's dad.
Oh, nice. Good on you.
When I move on, this will be hers. She can keep it, or you know, I've kept it. Yeah,
Yep.
well, I'm 56, so
Well, I'm sure she will keep
46
it.
years, so yeah.
She has to keep it because this is just going to keep appreciating
If you
itself.
don't, I'll own it.
You'll haunt her. That's pretty cool. No, absolutely love it. Thanks for that. So I appreciate your time and I appreciate you sharing your story.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Stopping.
No, I had to. It drew me, and I always get my viewers say, "You find the nicest, stories." I'm like, I get drawn, So that's pretty cool.
It's got a real interesting story. It honestly does.
Yeah, I'm loving the color though. I like it. It's different. Great.
Thank you.
Hi there. Not too bad. How are you? Good day for business?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Where you guys plan to go next year when it's not on?
Wherever it goes. I think it's going to Nashville, ain't it? I've heard it's going to Nashville.
Shades?
Shades. Am I wrong?
Unfortunately.
Am I really?
Yeah.
Somebody told me that it might be going to Nashville. I didn't know.
There could be rumors. There could be a lot of rumors happening. I mean, you know, from the horse's mouth, it's not happening next year.
You know, there'll always be cars here.
Yeah.
They'll still come.
There'll always be car shows.
Yeah, well, I mean, even these 2 weeks.
Yes.
These 2 weeks, people will still come the 2 weeks for this because they put their vacation time for these 2 weeks. So.
But where are they going to gather?
I don't know. Out in town.
Well, we're just going to have a whole bunch of beautiful classics and vendors.
They are. Like Rod Run next week, they just go down the strip, line up the strip.
Yeah.
It's just crazy.
And it's good. I mean, I love it because it's good for businesses.
Oh, yeah.
So, and you guys need a place to go.
Oh, yeah.
And those shops need to get filled. So, yeah, I hope that does happen because then me and my camera can still have a place to go as well.
Yeah. What do you do, Instagram?
YouTube. I've got a channel,
Oh, okay.
So what are you guys doing here?
I sell tie downs. I make them and sell them myself.
K-Town tie downs. Custom made in the USA. I'll get your details here. So this is just all for tie downs or?
Tie downs, yeah.
Wonderful. And you ship stuff as well, so if people see it online, they can contact you?
Yep, anything custom made, I can make it any way they want it.
Wonderful. All right, well, I wish you all the best.
Yep, have a blessed day.
All right, come on over here, sir. First thing that drew me was the color, and I thought it was candy red. But you corrected me. It was a wine.
It's brandy wine.
Brandy wine. Okay. Beautiful. What is the year? It's a Chevy. What year?
It's a 1940.
1940 pickup. And how long have you had it for?
Started in 2014 and just finished it.
Just finished it now. What was it like in 2014?
Just beat up.
Just absolutely beat up. Well, I'm not surprised it's taken you a fair few years. Why, before we get into what's happening, because I'm loving under the hood, it's so clean, it's so neat. You don't have a lot of wires, nothing sticking around, and the color is matching as well. Why this particular truck for yourself? How did you come across it?
A friend of mine told me about it. We went out and looked at it.
And that was it?
And I said, yeah, we'll build this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you built it yourself?
Done everything but the paint and the interior.
Wow. And what is the engine here?
It's a 5.3 LS motor.
5.3. Now that's pretty powerful. Now the good thing is that I've come here really late and you're about to take off soon.
Yeah.
Which means that we're going to be able to hear it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes, and that always gets me excited. Absolutely love it. Wow, Fi-Tech as well. That's brilliant. And how do you know how to restore these classics yourself?
I just started messing with them and just watched people.
Trial and error?
Do it myself, yeah.
Not everybody is brave enough to do that, you know that.
Yeah, I know. I ain't scared of it. I just got a big pile over here where I mess up and then I start back.
And you just cover that up.
Right.
Just cover that up. Now, I see a lot of things here. I don't see the battery. Where's the battery?
The battery?
Yeah.
It's behind the seat.
It's behind the seat. That's the second one I've seen today where they've had it. Is it in the console or actually behind the seat?
Right there behind the seat.
Right behind the seat. And is there anything else missing from here? What am I? The brake fluids, where's?
Right here.
Oh wow. Look at
It's
that.
got under the floor master cylinder. That's just the remote.
Nice. Brilliant, sir. Well, I know you're in a rush, so I don't want to take too much of your time. I'm going to let you turn this on for us.
Okay.
the Brandywine color because just look how much it's changing from down here, and then you look it up more in the light color and it's red.
If I could just get this out. It just can't get out.
Because you've got the reflection there as well of the Suburban. Two very different cars in front of me right here. Two very different restoration projects. So what wood have you used in the back? What wood is this?
It's actually aluminum, and it's got a sticker with clear sprayed over it.
So it won't get scratched.
Right. It's Smokey and Joe's bed. We call it Smokey Joe's bed. So yeah, it's different wood grain designs.
And that's where we fill up. Wow, that's... Well, I appreciate that, sir.
No problem.
Sorry I'm so late.
No, no problem.
Thank you so much. I'm happy that I caught you.
Thank you.
There you go. What is it, ma'am?
Only surfer at the whole show.
Yes, you were. I didn't see any other surfers. Safe travels. I always find this fascinating. So these must be like the magazines when the cars first came out. And a lot of people like to do this and put them up on their, when they are showing off their cars. So we've got Cadillacs, Buicks, 39, 76, Pontiacs, Chryslers, and of course we've got the Fords. So yeah, these swap and finds are an awesome place to get stuff to customize it and also to just get yours and restore it back to its original condition. This is where you'd want to come to find whatever it is you're looking for. Oh, I'm a sucker for these hot rod cars. I keep buying them and I should stop. Okay. Oh god, we've got Fink here as well. Margot, I love the stickers you have here.
Thank you.
You have a full range. Come here where it's shady. You've been sitting out there in the sun, but you got cool stickers from all the brands and the cars, and then you've got unique ones as well, which people can see for themselves. I love it. Do you make the stickers yourself?
Oh no, a friend of ours used to sell the stickers, and then he got sick and he retired. So we said if we find extra space at the shows, we'll go ahead and sell his stickers
Yeah,
for him.
that's nice.
My husband, Ian, he's the artist that's right around the corner, and that's our primary business. He draws all of the classic car pictures.
All right, well, why don't we go, and I'll go if you need to stand here. Let's have a look what he's doing. Oh wow, he's an artist.
Yeah. So this is my husband, Ian.
Hi there, Ian. I'm Rana.
Rana, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Yes, I am from Australia.
All right. Yeah.
Word gets around quick in the car community, doesn't it?
Matt, he came in and told me that there's a lady from Australia kicking around.
That's correct.
with a camera, so I put two and two together.
Yeah, the accent definitely draws everybody, and I've heard a lot about your work, and it's amazing.
Oh, well, thank you. Check's in the mail.
Nice one. Let me have a look here first, and then I'll come back to you.
There you go. Yeah, so we're going to do the same. We're going to pack this lot up, leave Margot's set up over.
I mean, these drawings are absolutely brilliant. Wow. I love the detailing here. Like, it looks like it's all just pencil. It's almost like it's a black and white photograph, but it's not. It's a drawing, all done by Ian. Yeah, I need to get some more information from him because this stuff is amazing. Like if you're into cars and you've got a garage as well, then you need to have one of these up there. Ian, how long have you been doing this for?
11 minutes.
11 minutes?
No, 28
Very
years.
talented.
28 years.
Wow. Say years again.
Sorry?
Say years again.
28 years.
And where are you from?
I'm from Nantwich, Cheshire.
Nice. I thought there was an accent there.
Yeah.
This stuff is absolutely brilliant.
Well, thanks.
I mean, you have a real gift. All pencil.
All pencil.
All pencil.
That's right.
I mean, you have the detailing down pat, and I was just saying that it looks like it's a black and white photograph, but you go closer and you see the detail that's involved, and you know that it's not. Wow.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
How long would each drawing take you?
It actually takes quite a long time.
That's what I thought.
About 80 hours if I was to average it out from start to finish. About 2 weeks from start to finish.
Wow.
But sometimes that's spread over 3 or 4 years.
Yes, of course.
Because I'll start a piece and then get tired of it, and then go back to another piece and
Yeah.
work it from there.
And is this very just creatively from your mind, or do you draw it off a picture?
Yeah, just
or?
figments of my imagination.
Wow, well, you have to be really truthful.
I just wish I could
with
sleep
your...
at night. I have all these ideas.
But you've got to be very careful with the detailing of the cars, and you know these car people are very serious people, and you know they know every detail.
I
So
would hear about it really quick.
you would hear about it, but I mean, just by looking at it, you've got the classics down pat, and that's brilliant. So if somebody was interested, how do they get in contact with you?
Hot Rod Pencil at Etsy.
Say that again, sir.
Hot Rod Pencil at Etsy.
Okay, at Etsy. So that's where you sell the stuff.
That's right. Or a car show every week.
Or a car show every week. So we'll see you at the Rod Run next week?
I'll be at the Rod Run, yes, and then I'll be at the Ducktail Run the week after that, the Pumpkin Run the week after that, Cruising the Coast the week after that, Houston, Texas the week after that. So
You're a bit like me. Every weekend is a car show.
every week, about 49 shows a year.
Well, at least it's fun, and you're in amongst good company.
That's right, absolutely.
This stuff is absolutely brilliant. Well, I appreciate your time.
Yeah.
This
Thanks
is
for
great.
stopping by.
No worries, I had to. I heard so much about you.
Oh dear.
Just like you heard
I do
about me.
apologise.
You have a good day, mate.
Yeah, you too.
See you.
Go borrow another 20 from my dad here in a little bit.
So how would you, I can't seem to walk away. How would you hang these? How do you sell them? Is it just as it is?
Yeah, they come like that, or they can come framed. We have a choice of frames, and then we have mat board as well.
I think I need this for over my desk. I think I need to make one, so I'll see you guys. I'll show you what I decide on. Well, I mean, I get the same feedback back from my viewers.
Yeah.
Everybody's loving it. They love the community. They're so supportive of me.
They all get to see it.
They all get to see me. But
Plus, you make hundreds of millions of dollars.
well, so I haven't made a cent yet. Okay, everybody, I have finally decided on the drawing that I like. Of course, it's got to have bellets in it, but it's not just any bellets. This is a junkyard of 57 bellets. And if I ever come across a junkyard that has nothing but 57 bellets, then I would have to pick something up in order to restore it myself. So this is the drawing that I have chosen to take. Up here, and then also to frame it. So I'll come back and pick that up off you, and then I could show you guys when it's all framed. So, Ian here is too kind. He's refusing to take my money. So, and that's a no-go in my books, because I like to support the vendors in order to keep these car shows going. So Ian, you will be taking my money. Just subscribe to my channel and like my videos. That's it. That's all I need. No pressure.
No, this is the bit where I screw up the word radar.
I'm just filming it, that's all. No pressure at all.
No, I don't feel any pressure whatsoever.
Beautiful. And there we go. Brilliant. Absolutely love it. Thank you so much for that, Ian.
Oh, you're very welcome.
You're too good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, I'm gonna have to just carry this like this, and it's not gonna open up.
No, you're good. You're good.
Okay, I'm good.
And you got my number and everything, yeah?
Let me get this here.
If there's any shows that you need, just let me know. Like I say, we've got a show every week, so.
Okay, yeah.
Between Margot and I, we can work it out. If you know, if you need any advice or any new shows to go to, or shows not to go to. More
All right.
importantly.
I'll see if I can connect with you guys on Facebook.
Yes. Yes.
If you're on.
I can always access the messenger, but for some reason, right now, it's saying it's updating. It's been saying that for 2 days.
Well, all the best with it. I'm sure I'll see you again.
That's right.
Take care.
All right, good to see you. See you next week.
Cheers, mate. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for introducing me to your husband. Absolutely loved it. Yep. Thanks a lot. See you. Jerry, nice to meet you all. Whose beautiful pickup is this?
Mine.
Come on, Joe. That's brilliant. Okay, before we get to that, what have we got here? What year is this?
72 C10.
72 C10.
Yep.
I love the two colors you've got going on. And then you've introduced the black as well, which then just complements the tires, in my opinion anyway. How long have you had this for?
I have, it's been done 5 years and I've had it for 7.
Nice. Did you do it yourself?
Yes.
Wow, okay. Walk me through it. When you've had it 7 years ago, what was it like?
It was in black prime. I found it in a barn.
You found it in a barn,
Yeah.
so it would have been absolutely...
I paid $1,500 for it.
This is a complete restoration project.
Yeah.
Okay, to say the least. Let's start with under the hood here. So what have you got?
350 with a fuel injection,
350 fuel injection.
Yep.
Now, can you educate me a little bit? When we add the 350 and it's a Phi-Tech as well, with the fuel injection, what does that do to the?
It's better driving mobility. I mean, doesn't load up like old carburetors and everything. So I can drive this on the highway. I mean, I could drive it from here to Cincinnati.
It won't sound like that.
No. It's loud, but it's not that loud.
Yeah.
So.
Well, it's just what you need, right?
Right.
So is this the fuel injection here?
The fuel injection is the Phi-Tech.
It's the Phi-Tech.
Yep.
What is this here?
That's your brake reservoir and everything.
Brake reservoir. I love it. Every hood is different.
Yeah.
Every engine setup is different. And again, here for the third time today, I don't see a battery. Where have you stored it?
Two batteries are underneath the wood floor in the back of the bed.
Now in the bed, I did see, is that hydraulic
That's air ride.
Air rides.
Yeah.
Okay, so this can go pretty low.
Yeah, that's as low as it'll go right there, right now.
But you can make it go lower on grass and...
Well, I mean, this is as low as it'll go. It'll go up to regular stock height and everything, but
okay.
We're gonna put a new frame underneath of it here probably in a year or two, so it'll go lower. It'll then go lower.
It will look nice.
Yeah.
I love these classic pickups, especially when they get really lowered up to the ground.
Right.
They just change the whole look of it.
Right.
I mean, I absolutely love it. And what is your wheels here you've got?
Those are US mags. They're 20s, 20 by 8s in the front and 20 by 12s in the rear.
Beautiful. Loving the two color combination here. And did you do the interiors yourself as well?
TMI did it for me.
TMI.
Yep.
And where are they based in?
They're based out of California.
Nice pinstriping there. Beautiful. Beautiful. And why this truck for you? Did you just found it 7 years ago, or you've always liked them?
Both my grandparents had, both my grandpas had them as work trucks, and I remember riding around in them, and that was just one of the vehicles I wanted to do up and everything.
Yeah.
So I was looking around for one of these for about a year.
Okay.
So.
Fair enough. I mean, I like it. I love the pickups. I love the classic pickups, especially when they get restored.
Right.
And then they get lowered. It's just, yeah, it's beautiful. I saw it a few times, and I've been wanting to come over and have a chat. So I'm glad I did. Thank you for that.
All right, thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
Someone's going to have a project on their hand. Looks like this has been sold.